So I've given him 2,000. I guess this is a market.
How about fuel?
I have enough fuel. It's full. Yeah. That's why I'm taking this one. Good morning, my good people. Welcome back to the channel. Today I spent the night in Pakwatch and I'm going to be continuing to Arua today. I'm going to take a dirt road and I'm thinking of that challenge. It can be quite scary sometimes not taking the main road. That's why I end up taking the main road most of the times. But today I'm going to be trying out that road. I see how the experience is. Yeah, I'll be telling you more about that. Please remember to subscribe, click on that like button and then the bell icon so that you get notifications each time I post a video. Thank you. Let me just take you on a brief tour of where I stayed. The room is 30,000 shillings, which I thought was very fair for the kind of room it is. Yeah, let me just show you a bit about it. So, in this room, there is a fan. And the reason why there's a fan, it's because I think you can see in the room across, there's a fan as well. Pakwatch can be quite hot. Even at night, it can be very hot. Just that I came when it had just rained, so it wasn't that hot. But yeah, you need a fan in Pakwatch. I found it so interesting here. I thought Kasese was quite hot, but yeah, I think Pakwatch is hotter than Kasese. Yeah, this is our fan. And this is our working table, which I have not used because I need to run. I need to be in Arua before 1 p.m. I need to sit down and do some work as well. Yeah, today I need to do some serious work. I thought I would work throughout the night, but I was very tired. So today I'm going to take a shorter trip so that I'm able to rest. I will have to work during the day and partly in the night so that I have some good rest. And then the day after tomorrow. Oh, not tomorrow, yes. That will be tomorrow, yes. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing a very long trip compared to what I'm going to be doing today. Yeah, it should be equivalent to what I did maybe yesterday. That's close to 400 kilometers, yeah. Thank you. See you on the road shortly. So this is the place where I spent the night. It's called Queen's Guest House. I think you can see the details. It's located on Obey Road opposite Royal Waves Guest House. I don't know why they would say opposite Royal. It's like saying what? like mentioning your competitor's name as you're giving description of what you do. Yeah. See you on the road. I don't know how many times I'm saying this. This is Pakwatch for you. I hope my camera is well positioned. I can't tell if it is. Well, if the camera is well positioned, let's take a small tour around Pakwatch, and then we continue to Arua. Yeah, it's going to be a quick one. This is the main road. So the reason why I've come back to the main road is just to show you an impression of the place. I'm also looking for Total, but I don't know where it is. I think I might... Yeah. Might need to find somewhere, and I asked for where to... Oh, I've seen it ahead. I've seen Total ahead. I move through these spots at night with the border guy. Sorry, I didn't check. Yeah, but I also just need how the town is. It's a lovely town, the people are lovely. So this road we are on, it's the Arua Navy Road that I'm supposed to be taking. But like I told you, I might end up taking the dirt roads. Looks, this place is empty. I don't know if there are attendants at the moment. Hey, they are attendants. Good morning.
Good morning to you.
Yes.
Most welcome.
Thank you very much. Your place is a very nice place.
Thank you.
I have loved it so much. The few hours I've been in it. Now, you're going to fill up, eh? But I'm using mobile money to pay. I don't know if you have mobile money.
Our Momo is not working since.
So what am I going to do?
We withdraw. Mobile money is there.
Yes?
Mobile money is there.
Okay. So, you fill up, I know exactly how much it's going to be. Yeah. Because on these trips, if I give you all my cash without withdrawing, I can get stuck somewhere. I need that cash. So I make sure I retain as much cash as I can and pay using mobile money.
Our Momo failed to work last time.
Yeah?
Our Momo.
Hey.
It failed to work last time.
Yeah.
We were trying, but we had failed. So they do that last week.
Okay. So it's going to get to the brim here, then I will tilt it a little bit so that the fuel continues down and then you add a little more. Yeah. But I have an estimate, it should be like 50, 45 around there. Yeah, that's what I meant. So it takes in a little more. I think that's enough. Yep. You want to make it 46, eh? Okay. Okay. Let me come. It's now 10 exactly. And I'm going to be heading to Arua using the dirt road. So it should be taking me 2 hours. I mean, around, is it 12? Yeah, I should be there. Okay, mobile money. MTN. I want to withdraw 100. Yes.
Number?
And the number is 0783. Yes?
100.
Yes, 100,000. Okay, I've seen the prompt. So that is Jimmy, eh? I've put in the pin. Okay, yeah. I like your place very much. I wish I was staying this side. It looks...
Where?
I'm from Kampala.
Riding motorcycle.
I'm also touring my country to get to know it much better.
So the camera is very nice.
Yeah. So when I reach interesting things, I record. Like I was in the park. I didn't stop in the park, but there were nice things to be seen there. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. I didn't want to give you my other cash that I have here because I would be stuck somewhere, I'm sure. You're welcome. Thank you as well. Thank you very much. So I'm going to Arua, but I was told I could use the other road.
The other one is shortcut.
Okay. And I also want to go on that the Maram and I enjoy it properly. Kale, thank you.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay. Off we go. So we are all set with our maps as well, ready to hit the road. And the battery has charged up again. So I remember this is the road because I came here last night. This is the road to Arua. Let me ask these border guys. Good morning. Yes, this goes to Arua, eh?
Sorry?
Arua. Okay. Thank you. Yes?
How about fuel?
I have enough fuel. It's full. Yeah. That's why I'm taking this one. This road is full of sand. If you come running and you just bump into it, you're gone. Let me go to the sides. Oh. Okay, now this is slightly much better. So most of the road here is sand. I think, remember I'm in Pakwatch, and Pakwatch is near the Albertine regions. There's a lot of flooding that happens once in a while. Yeah, so that's, I think, the reason. So all the sand is carried into the road when the floods come. So most of the road here is sandy. And you can tell that I'm found the real villages, deep inside the villages. The life the life people live here is slightly different from what you see in the city. It was a town actually, not a city. Yeah. So we are going to see a lot more changes. I'm also eager to see what is ahead of me, and we are going to see a lot more thatched houses. Remember, it's not just about poverty that the people don't have money to buy materials for building modern houses, what we call modern houses, but it's also the culture. Most of them have made sure they maintain their culture. So you will find a very rich man, but he has decided to remain with a thatched house. Sometimes they go ahead and modernize them a little more. So outside it looks like the traditional thatched house, sometimes with a bit of painting and some crafts paintings on it. But inside it's a very modern house. It happens a lot. Now you can see that this modern house in terms of building, but it's surrounded by many thatched houses. Yeah, so it's the culture this side. It's not all about that people don't have money to invest in what we call modern housing. Yesterday night we came here, and there was a market, like late in the night. There was a market. People were selling things on solar light, and it was a very, very serious market. But I think it moves according to days. So today I doubt they will be there. So probably it's now in another place. Most probably ahead, because most people are leaving this place heading towards the other side and not heading towards where I'm coming from, because I'm coming from Pakwatch, so they were heading ahead. So I guess either there's a bigger community that side, or the market was now the next day going to be ahead where I'm heading. I guess you can see the road. I know some of these things don't look exactly the way they are on camera, also, but the road is full of sand. If you're not careful with your riding, yeah. But what always keeps beating my understanding, even with other content creators I've seen doing my kind of content, riders on such smaller bikes, they don't find issues with very muddy roads, and most of the issues we find on the roads. They will be cruising all the way. Even a car will have issues, will struggle, but for them, yeah, I guess it's a difference in skill levels. I don't know, or maybe this is something they do every day. They have gained the skills of those places. I stopped last night. So ahead of me is going to be new territories for me. I'm also not aware of what it is. But since I've seen such a truck coming from there, yeah, it's okay. Now in this village, this particular one where I am, it's interesting that you can get the smell of liquor while you're on the roadside without branching off. I think people here sell a lot of liquor. I'm sure you've seen a man stumbling behind there. So there's a lot of liquor that is being consumed this side. Yeah, it could be the economic activity. Just the person I was with last night told me. There are two border guys ahead. I want to catch up with them and just ask them how they're able to go through this road comfortably, because they seem not to be struggling, yet I am struggling. So when you go in the middle of the road where I'm used to riding, it's supposed to be possible to ride from there. If it's not sand, it's too much gravel. Like these parts here. Here it's actually not much. But back there where I was, there was just too much gravel. Now here I can run. We are back to the gravel. I don't want to fall while I'm on camera. Okay. Yeah, this will be good. Let's take this. Yeah, it's getting hard to catch up with those guys. They have done this several times. They are very, very comfortable with the road. They know where to pass and where not to pass. So I'm also just trying to follow up where they have passed. Yeah, you need to be in Arua before 1 p.m. I hope I'll be able to make it. Let me go on the sides and then I run a little bit. Okay, there is sand. Yeah, so the other side is gravel, here is sand, so you make a choice whether to stick to the sand or the gravel. I think I'm better with the sand for now. It's not too much sand. Yeah. Okay, we cross. This is testing my riding. It reminds me of the Mbale trip when I was riding at night. There was like a very thick layer of mud coming from the mountain. I guess you can see the beauty that I'm has. They have got just thatched houses all the other side. Those are communities. Very beautiful. This road is becoming more challenging. Okay. Don't know if this man has dropped something. I was told at one point I would go through a park. So I'm still waiting for that point, I think. I'm sure my battery will work. It's still on. I was asking, the road is very difficult. How are you able to handle it? It has a lot of stones. I was asking, how are you able to handle the road? It has a lot of stones. I don't know whether it's just my tires or I don't know. Huh? Yeah. Oh, okay. Got it. Have a nice day. Well, the man doesn't understand what I'm saying. And I can't speak Luganda because in this region they don't know Luganda, most people. So in the town, a few people might be knowing Luganda. Not a few, many actually. Many people know Luganda. But this side, yeah, you might find none who knows Luganda. Luganda is spoken in the central region of Uganda, but then it's so far widespread that even in places like northern Uganda, you'll find people who can speak it. Yeah. Yet they are not Baganda, of course, yeah. But even in their towns, they have a lot of Baganda doing business, and then followed by Banyankole and Bachiga. They're doing a lot of business that side in their towns. Now, that man couldn't understand what I was saying. He just kept saying, yes, yes. The first time I talked to him, I thought he just didn't hear what I was saying. So I caught up with him because I wanted to ask him, like, how is he able to do it on this very difficult road? But the road is now better. I'm going to run a little bit. I'll see you later. So from here, actually, I'm just going along River Nile. I've just, because from Pakwatch, I doubt you'll be able to see it, but it's that side. So from Pakwatch, I'm seeing it, and it looks like this road is just along White Nile, because it's actually a bit straightforward. There are no turns as such. So I think it's a road that is just parallel to the river. Even when you look at the map, which I'll be showing, it's just parallel. Some straight road. Yeah, this full. Has reminded me of the Ilsare school. Yeah. How are you? How are you? You're fine? Hello. What's your name? Yeah? Who? I didn't hear the name. Yeah? Hey, my name is Ignatius. Yes. I'm from Kampala. I'm just taking a tour here. You know what touring means? What does it mean? Yeah? Yeah. What does touring mean? Yeah? Yes. You don't know what touring means? Why? Because yeah? Yeah? The what? So how are you? They need what? Yes. They need money. Yeah? Yes. Ah, but me, I don't have money. Yeah? You want to buy something? Yes. Let me see if I have. If I have, I give you. If I don't have, I go. Yeah? Yeah? But I want you to speak English so that I understand what you're saying. Because you're speaking a language that I don't know. What are you saying? No. No? Ah. No, this is how we are going to do. First wait. I'm going to give it to him. He's going to help you distribute. Yeah? I'm going to give it to him. He helps you distribute. Yeah? Yes. Okay. So I've given him 2,000. He's going to help you distribute. Okay, have a nice time. Looks like their day is mad. People are very happy here. Okay. This place looks amazing. Eh? Flat. I like how it looks like. I think these students are coming from school. They're pupils actually. They're not yet students. They're still in primary school. But by nature, people of this side sometimes tend to have mature bodies at a young age. Mostly the boys. So you might think the guys like in senior 4 yet is in primary 7. He's a candidate. Nenga golia utachimanyi. Now I need to turn on my map and see exactly where I am. Yeah, I've just taken a look at the maps and I'm very far from my destination. Yeah. But still, I'm glad I've used this road instead of the other main road, because the main road is also slightly longer. I have a much stomach that I. River, this is. I'll check that on the map. I almost felt so badly in the sand. I guess this is a market, the market I was talking about earlier on. Today it's this side. That's here, it's not so massive like it was yesterday. I was telling you about how I almost felt so badly. The woman on the roadside stopped and like she was just holding her head. But I managed to get out of the situation. Somehow, I know I've taken some training on some of these things, but I also wonder how I survived in such situation. Well. These are the views I'm getting from here.